initially while doing this, I didn't have the idea to shoot this. Randomly, I picked up art from YouTube and I just thought of recreating it. So I have used postal colors and watercolors, but in that video which we are recreating, they have used acrylic colors, but I have just tried it just with watercolors and postals. So it was for me, I was doing, so I didn't have anybody to help me to shoot. I have to draw and also shoot, so I've taught it only after doing the work. So I couldn't show you completely. Next time I will plan and then I will do art and I will upload it for you. First, here you can just have a look at, so initially coloring with some yellows and greens, then drawing the sun, then the ship, then the tree, then some reflection could be some more accurate. I have spoiled it a bit. Then some crows or birds. That's it. Comment how does this art looks and how was our recreation. We can do some more. Bye.